The Laugarvatn means hot spring lake. Welcome to my bakery. This is my oven. As you probably know, we have a lot of hot springs here in Iceland, and we have 3 of them in this town. There's one over here which used to heat up all the houses. Second one is underneath the steam rooms at the spa, and the third one is a little further. It was used for baptizing when Christianity took over in Iceland the year 1000. Since the hot springs create an enormous amount of heat all around them, we are able to bake all sorts of foods in the sand. It's around 100 degrees Celsius. Temperature is always jumping, 80 to 110. So yesterday I dug down Icelandic rye bread, which has been baking now for 24 hours. Voila. In the bread, there are 4 cups of rye flour, 2 cups of wheat flour, 2 cups of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 liter of milk, and a pinch of salt.
Oh my god, that's butter. I thought that was cheese. Just go for it, just any piece. It's really good. All right, do you want to have some?
Yes.
So, bake in peace.